Hey, welcome back. In this lesson, we will learn how to import OBJ model from outside Blender. So if you have skills of modeling with the Rhinoceros or Autodesk products, this is the right place to start. When you open the Blender software, you will see the usual initial scene. In our case, we are going to import the map that we produced in the previous lesson. If you don't want to import this map, if you didn't produce it, you can just cancel the cube by clicking on it and pressing delete. This is how it looks. If you're interested in reproducing it, check the previous lesson in this playlist. Anyway, I'm now canceling everything we produced except the floor. I will keep the floor because it's nice to have something under your feet. To import an OBJ model, simply go on the top left corner of the screen, click on File, Import, and then select Wavefront OBJ. Browse among the folders and go to the path where you previously exported your OBJ model. After selecting the file, you should make sure that the Z direction is up. You can also modify which direction is forward, if it's X or Y, but please make sure that Z is up. That is more important. Proceed with the importing and you will see your model appear in the viewport of Blender. Unfortunately, if you look at the top right corner of the screen, you will see that in my case the model is divided in very numerous small geometries. So I undo it and I create a new collection to make the new geometries more manageable. Simply right-click in the list and select New Collection. Make sure to have the new collection selected when you import a new geometry. So if the geometry has numerous subcomponents, they will be nicely ordered. Now, if I want to select all the geometries at once, I simply have to right-click on the collection and then choose Select Objects. Using the gizmo on the top left side of the viewport, I can move my geometry. I just bring a couple of centimeters up just to separate the geometry floor from my previous floor. And voila, that's basically it. If you want to visualize the texture paint on top of your geometries, just go on the shading tab on the top of the screen. So, thank you a lot for the effort and for the attention, and stay tuned for the next lesson. Bye bye!